Also, we would like to say to bring it on to your friend. Ladies and gentlemen, introducing the dolphin receives all in the house. First of all, this is Gabriel. Bring it up all the way, Dolphin Luna. Take it up, Lady Olga. Good morning. Dolphin Nemo. Performing love, brother Trina in the house. With joy, with pride, with respect and over love. This trainer Sergey. Hello, Assalamu Alaikum. And now, let's clap your hands with music. For the all kids from Savi's International School at Chennai. Make some noise. That's right, the Dolphins are so happy to see everyone. The Dolphins are so happy to see all the pre-KG from Savi's International School. We get ready to say welcome to each one of you. Let's go! You know, friends, these dolphins are so adorable. Just like you children, they have a mentality like a 5 to 6-year-old human child. They are recognized to be the second intelligent mammals. They are so amazingly adorable, they are so cute, and they are fantastic. Everybody, look on the front stage now. Here we go. Welcoming the superstars. One by one, to love together with Owe Nemo. Thank you. Bring the joy, Luna. Gabriel, be quiet. And you know, friends, the dolphins you see here, they are what they were dolphins. They are ready to fly to the sky. What the over the sponge bar. The dolphins are strong. Can they power come from the tail? Let's use it to fly. She tastes like gold. Aha. The Dolphins are the number one swimmers among the planet's all. Surrounded della fine, dolphins speed 40 to 42 kilometers in 1 hour. It's a race. It's a lovely competition. First round from the youngest to now. So, it's right.